Is it time to buy or sell Aurora Innovation Class A stock? In this video, we will explore Aurora Innovation Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of October 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October 2025, our system has categorized Aurora Innovation Class A as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, showing an increase of 0.94%. This results in an average return of 0.47% per day since its classification as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a compelling buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $5.20 is breached, it will indicate a significant increase in the rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 4.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 7.71% to an increase of 13.54%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of around negative 8.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 27.94% and an increase of 64.15% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $3.88 and $8.85. Our latest daily update for Aurora Innovation Class A includes the headline: Aurora Innovation Inc. Class A stock price ended at $5.39 on Friday. After gaining 0.94%, the Aurora Innovation Inc. Class A stock price gained 0.94% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, rising from $5.34 to $5.39. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 3.11%, with a low of $5.31 and a high of $5.47. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 11.06% during this period. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold for approximately $60,780,000. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.77, while the lowest was $4.75. Currently, the price is 49.95% or $5.38 below the 52-week high, and 69.67% or $12.38 below the all-time high that occurred on the 19th of November, 2021, when the price reached $17.77. Aurora Innovation has recently captured attention following an active late summer period. In the second quarter, revenue increased by approximately 102% compared to the previous year, reaching around $1 million as the company officially launched its commercial driverless trucking operations. To date, the organization has amassed over 20,000 driverless miles, including operations during nighttime, and has inaugurated a new terminal in Phoenix. Throughout September, management engaged with investors, announcing a strategic partnership aimed at developing the industry's first transportation management system specifically for autonomous trucks. In the near term, this combination fosters two significant influences: positive narratives surrounding commercialization and the McLeod partnership can enhance market sentiment and potentially prompt rallies. However, the stock remains vulnerable to short-term fluctuations, as critiques and negative reports have already led to investor sell-offs. Any failures in execution or disappointing performance could trigger further declines. Looking ahead, sustained revenue growth, broader fleet integrations, and established unit economics from scaled operations may justify a considerably higher valuation. Conversely, ongoing losses, regulatory or technological challenges, and concerns regarding cash burn could keep the stock under pressure. Ultimately, execution and the trajectory of revenue will be pivotal factors influencing the stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned AUR a buy rating along with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer rated AUR as outperform with an initialize action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave AUR an overweight rating with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned AUR a hold rating with a hold action. Analysts have given Aurora Innovation Class A stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value also as sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Aurora Innovation Class A. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.45%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume decreased during the last trading day even though prices were rising. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals were also issued, which could influence the near-term development. The Aurora Innovation Inc. Class A stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $5.42 and $5.77. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago as well. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 12 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Aurora Innovation Class A. Aurora Innovation Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $5.34. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.165 between its high and low, equating to 3.11%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Aurora Innovation Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Aurora Innovation Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Aurora Innovation Class A is at $5.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Aurora Innovation Class A encounters its first support level at $5.34. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Aurora Innovation Class A from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of September, 2025, Bagley Brittany executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of August, 2025, Fisher Ossa executed an insider sale of 59,535 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of August, 2025, Madej David executed an insider sale of 51,530 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of August, 2025, Donahoe John J. executed an insider purchase of 162,337 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Boyland Gloria R. executed an insider sale of 46,097 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -30.110. Overall, insiders purchased 45,325,566 shares and sold 39,218,196 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.15, reflecting a decrease of 4.52%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Aurora Innovation Class A stock a good buy? Aurora Innovation Inc. Class A presents several negative signals, indicating it should be considered a sell candidate. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it may be prudent to regard it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors could either hold or accumulate shares while monitoring future developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of October, we anticipate that Aurora Innovation Class A will open lower by 170 cents, beginning trading at $5.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.